Alright, it's time for Volume 2. Or, sorry, no. Volume 4. This one's from 1971. Oh, that's a light fixture. Oh, there's a... What is that? Tatam. Oh, it looks like it's got a crack on the motor housing. Pretty cool. This one's from 1981. There is... What is this? Oh! It's ornate. It's either an Evergo or a Winco. Oh, this one's an Evergo. It's got the flat cane. This one's like mine. Except... No, yeah, mine's in antique brass too. I thought mine was in polished brass for a minute. I have both the... This is the non-remote version. I have both this version and the remote version. That is really cool. Stupid Family Guard. Oh! BRK over here. SA769, still powered. Oh, looks like it's at the dome button. Those have been showing up more and more. I actually can't really tell, but it looks like that button is domed. Those have been showing up more and more as of recent. Cool. Stupid Astor room. This one's from 1981. There's a Emerson Casablanca Classic in the family room, but the pictures are going to be crap quality. That's not that bad, actually. There's a modern thing back there. So this thing has survived fan upgrades. That's cool. Looks like it's the later K55 version. I can't tell what pull chain it has. Some buildery thing. Oh! Over the door. There's a BRK, I think? Quality's bad. Oh yeah, no, I can see the test button right there. Yeah, it's probably a 77R based on where it is. Wow. This scan is terrible. I hate Astor rooms so much because of this. That could be either, honestly, either a 769 or a 77R. Oh. The pictures are honestly better. There's a picture of the spinner. I think it's a CEC or Design House or something. Yeah, there's no other pictures. Well, that's different. Just a random rainbow hugger in the middle of the garage. It's way too small for the space, and it's got the light kit turned upside down and stuck on the bottom of the nose. That's something I never thought I'd see, although it's something I would do for sure. One is from 1962. Ooh, what was that? Coverless 1200 or SA120? I can't tell if the button is tiered or dome, but the LED is red. Like red colored, not clear. Interesting. Alright, here's one from 1955. It's very yellowed Fire-X. Nothing. Cool. This one is from 1975. There's a Whole House fan. And there's the controls. Oh! The Honeywell. Which version? A TC89B! The battery-powered version. It's got the test button. I can't tell. The picture quality isn't the best, so I can't tell, judging by the center there, whether it's the center of the cover around the test button, whether or not it's the 1000 or the 1018, because they had different, like, centers there. but very cool. Oh, yep, there's another one. Up in the basement stairwell. And I can't, again, I can't really tell. Oh, that's a better view. Huh. Yeah, it's really hard to tell. Completely breezed right past this one right here. Right next to the staircase somehow. I have no idea how I did that. But, from this view, judging by both the camera angle and the light angle, you can pretty clearly tell that these are the TC89B1000, the retail model with the recess in the center there, the recessed ring. Alright, this one's from 67. Oh, is that the detector? Oh, I like how in one shot the cover's open, and then the next shot it's closed. Look. Cover's open. No, it's closed. It's a second gen SA67. This one's from 1981. Oh, original. I bet this is the last one left. I bet they all used to be originals. This one is from 1960. Generic hugger of some sort. System detector. The first alert SA76RC. It's a later version like mine with a dome button. And that's a Casablanca of some sort. I think that's a spinner motor model. But I don't think I've seen that before. I don't know what model this is. I think that's the exact same. Let's see. Yeah, it's got the variable water level. I think this is the exact same washer that I used to have at my old house. The one I just uploaded old archived clips of to YouTube not too long ago. Yeah, it's got the 5-speed settings, 2 rinses, 1 rinse, second rinse, 3 auto temperature controls with the 4 regular controls, and variable water level. This is my washer. I wonder if it's got the triple action agitator. The dryer's not the same. That's one of those little portable dryers, I think. That's pretty cool, actually. This one is from 1928. What did that say on the... Okay. Is that some lighted housing? That's a kind of a cool fan. I've never seen one quite like that before. Lighted housing GE vent with this cool sort of cross-hatched glass pattern and rather large cane on the blades. I like that the shades match the sideband glass. Didn't even notice that. That's cool. I like that fan. It's a Speed Queen! I want a Speed Queen so badly. Alright, this one's from 69. Nice. Ooh, there's a Sears. I think this has been found already. Oh, there's a person in the bathroom mirror too. Yeah, this one looks familiar. I think somebody found this one already, but still, this is the version with the white button and no LED, unlike the one I have. I'd like this version. I think there's a few on eBay, or was a few on eBay. There's a low profile. Oh, it's an older one. Doesn't have the isolation ring, but it's got the cylindrical nose. Well, it's not a terribly old one. I actually like it with the schoolhouse on it, honestly. There's another low profile. Is that another one in there? Or is that Nope, that's another one. There's 2 more. The same model. White ones. Oh, that's a bad scan, but that's also an 80s one, and so is this one. They sure got their money's worth from Hunter. With outdoor ceiling fans. Looks like Hampton Bay gazebos, and that's another really bad scan. Alright, this one is from 1930. Uh-oh. Karen alert. Oh. Palmer Hubbard Deluxe, it looks like. Maybe. Oh wait, no it's not. It's got the regular nose cap, and it's got small cane too. It's probably an air cool. Oh, small little hugger. Smiley face first alert. Oh, well, Sears Lasco. Oh no, this is the Emerson 1895 version. This is that one version that I still cannot manage to find somehow. I have every single other version except for this version, the Emerson 1895 version. I kind of like that light kit too, actually. It might be a genuine Sears. What's the Hunter in here? That's an Eclipse missing the shade, the globe. I like those actually, the Eclipse. My old next door neighbors at our old house had one in white in one of their upstairs bedrooms. It's from 73. This one looks promising. Oh, is that a GE? Nope, it's a Black & Decker. Almost a GE, but I like these too. I finally have one of these. It's SMK 60 M3. Oh, a spinner. Is that a CEC Georgian? Or a Laguna? This is CEC Georgian. Pretty cool. I don't see too many of those around here, honestly, which is surprising because they're like really common. I think that's going to be it for this volume then. We got a lot of content for this one. So that is the volume, what is this one? Volume 5, I think? Volume 4, Volume 5, I can't even remember. Oh well, thank you for watching. More to come.